Welcome to our deep dive into the React useMemo hook, an essential tool for performance optimization in React applications. As web applications grow in complexity, efficient rendering becomes crucial, and understanding useMemo is key to achieving this. In this video, we'll explore its purpose, functionality, and how it fits into modern web development. Let's delve into the theory behind useMemo. At its core, useMemo is about memoization, a technique that caches the results of expensive function computations. By memoizing values, we can avoid unnecessary recalculations, which enhances rendering performance. This is particularly beneficial in React, where minimizing component re-renders can significantly improve application responsiveness. Now let's look at a practical example of using the useMemo hook. We'll build a simple React component that calculates the factorial of a number. This operation can be expensive for large numbers, but with useMemo, we ensure the factorial is only recalculated when necessary, based on changes to specific inputs. In our demonstration, we will observe how the useMemo hook optimizes performance. Initially, the factorial of the number 1 is displayed. When we increment the number, the factorial is recalculated and updated accordingly. Importantly, when we increment an unrelated counter, the factorial remains unchanged, showcasing that useMemo prevents unnecessary recalculations when dependencies do not change. To sum up, the useMemo hook is an invaluable tool for optimizing React applications. It helps avoid costly recalculations, ensuring components only re-render when necessary. As you continue to develop in React, consider integrating useMemo into your projects to enhance performance. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.